Welcome back, everyone. You are listening to day 19 of our 30-day English Holiday Challenge. Congratulations! You are getting closer and closer to becoming confident in everyday English. You have learned how to travel, you have learned how to communicate with people, you have learned how to enjoy your holiday. And today, we are moving from holidays to everyday life. Because English is not only for traveling. English is also for talking about your normal day, your morning, your work, your hobbies, your evening. Today, we are learning how to talk about daily routines and habits. You will learn how to describe your day, how to talk about what you do every day, and how to ask others about their routines. Because simple conversations often start with a simple question. What do you do every day? Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Tom.
Hi, everyone. I'm Kate.
Kate, today we are talking about daily routines.
Yes.
My daily routine is very simple.
Really?
Yes.
What do you do every day?
I wake up.
Good start.
Then I think about waking up.
Thinking about waking up?
Yes.
Then
I actually wake up.
Tom, you need a better routine.
I'm working on it.
Okay, everyone. Let's learn how to talk about our days.
Great.
First, let's learn some daily routine vocabulary.
Repeat after us. Wake up. Get up. Brush my teeth. Take a shower. Get dressed. Have breakfast. Go to work. Go to school. Have lunch. Go home. Go to bed.
Excellent.
Let's explain some words.
Wake up means you stop sleeping.
Get up means you leave your bed.
Get dressed means you put on your clothes.
Go to bed means you go to sleep.
Great.
Now let's learn how to talk about routines.
We use I usually.
Repeat. I usually.
Examples. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
I usually have breakfast at 8.
I usually go to work at 9.
Perfect.
The word usually means something you do often,
Not always.
but many times.
Let's practice.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 11.
Excellent.
Now let's learn about time.
Repeat after us. Morning, afternoon, evening, night.
Great.
Examples. I drink coffee in the morning.
I work in the afternoon.
I relax in the evening.
I sleep at night.
Excellent.
Now let's learn how to talk about free time.
You can say, in my free time, I.
Repeat. In my free time, I.
Examples. In my free time, I read books.
In my free time, I watch movies.
In my free time, I listen to music.
In my free time, I play sports.
Great.
Now let's practice a conversation.
Listen carefully.
What do you do every day?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
What do you do after that?
I have breakfast.
Then what do you do?
I go to work.
What do you do in the evening?
I relax and watch TV.
Great.
Simple conversations are powerful.
Exactly.
Now, let's learn how to describe habits.
A habit is something you do regularly.
Examples. I drink coffee every morning.
I exercise every week.
I call my family on Sundays.
I study English every day.
That last one is very important
Yes.
because small practice creates big results.
Let's practice.
Do you study English every day?
Yes, I do.
Great.
Now let's learn negative sentences.
Sometimes we say what we do not do.
Examples. I don't drink coffee.
I don't watch TV in the morning.
I don't work on Sundays.
Repeat. I don't.
Great.
Now, let's create a funny situation.
Here we go.
Tom is explaining his daily routine.
Yes.
What time do you wake up?
7 o'clock.
Good.
Then I check my phone.
Okay.
For 5 minutes.
Good.
Maybe 30 minutes.
Tom,
Maybe 1 hour.
your phone is your morning routine.
It is a very important relationship.
You need a break.
My phone would miss me.
Let's continue.
Now we will practice a complete conversation.
Imagine you meet someone new.
Hello.
Hi.
What do you usually do in the morning?
I usually wake up at 6:30.
What do you do after breakfast?
I go to work.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading and listening to music.
Nice.
What about you?
I like traveling and learning languages.
Great.
Excellent.
Now you can talk about your daily routine.
Let's review today's important phrases.
What do you do every day?
I usually,
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at,
In my free time, I
like.
don't.
Great job.
Your homework today is simple.
Describe your day.
Start with the morning.
Then talk about your afternoon.
Then talk about your evening.
Use I usually.
Speak out loud.
Make English part of your routine.
Tomorrow is day 20.
We will learn how to talk about jobs and work.
Different professions.
Talking about what people do.
Useful everyday English.
Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe.
Leave a like if today's lesson helped you.
Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss day 20.
And remember, if you are busy, listen to us on Spotify while walking, traveling, or relaxing.
Thank you for learning with us.
Keep practicing.
Keep smiling.
And remember,
Every day is a new chance to improve your English.
see you tomorrow for day 20.
Bye, everyone.